Hi everyone. So today I'm getting ready to go out for a movie, and normally though I never vlog like this, but I always loved watching vlogs of other people. You know, I enjoy it, and it's my first time that not first time actually 3 years back when I shifted to Gurgaon. Right now I am living in Gurgaon. So मैंने व्लॉग शूट करना स्टार्ट किया था लॉन्ग लॉकडाउन के टाइम, बट उस टाइम मे बी आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट मच, और मे बी माई इनर वर्क वॉज नॉट उस लेवल पे जहाँ पे मैं उस चीज़ से रेजोनेट, मैं उसे कंटिन्यू नहीं रख पाई। मैं उसको कंटिन्यूशन में शूट नहीं कर पाई कि मुझे अब ये करना चाहिए, बिकॉज I was so much in my head कि I was not able to do anything, and I was not able to uh, think of contents and all. मुझे लगा कि same limiting beliefs and all. Now that I'm working on my limiting beliefs, so it is easier for me to shoot vlogs. Not easier, but yeah, it is my first time, so let's see how it goes. I don't know कैसा जाएगा. Let's just try to go with the flow. uh, so you know I'm watching this series called yeah, Find Me in Paris. So उसमें सारे teenagers हैं, and they all are in this ballet school, the Paris Ballet School, and they all are learning ballet, sorry. So I was watching this series, and I what I saw in the series that most of the students are only competing. They are not trying to know about themselves, and अपने ऊपर खुद को जान के, जो अगर मतलब अपने लिए उन चीज़ों को ठीक नहीं करना चाह रहे, वो जो उनको बेटर करेगा, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनका फोकस है, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स की, किसी और से बेटर कैसे हुआ जाए, कि उससे मैं कैसे compete करूँ, उससे मैं कैसे बेटर हो जाऊँ, मुझे इसको compete करना है, इसकी तारीफ़ क्यों हो रही है, मेरी क्यों नहीं हो रही है, मुझे क्यों नहीं चूज़ कर रहे हैं, मुझे क्यों नहीं फर्स्ट पोजीशन मिल रहा, मुझे क्यों नहीं वो रोल मिल रहा है, वो एक्ट मिल रहा है, और मैं क्यों नहीं वो चीज़ कर रही हूँ या फिर कर रहा हूँ जो वो कर रहा है, उसको क्यों सब अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, एंड तो मैं वो देख रही थी, एंड देन there is one boy. He sat with the teacher and he said कि I was just trying to compete with this guy Max, and I was not trying to focus on me, but my focus on कि मैं उससे कैसे बेटर हो जाऊँ, मुझे जो लोग उसको चूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको छोड़ के वो मुझे कैसे चूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दे. आई वॉज नॉट फोकस्ड ऑन माई सेल्फ कि मुझे फॉर्म्स टेक्निक जो मेरे ख़राब हैं, मुझे उस पर वर्क करना है, रादर देन मैं उन फॉर्म्स टेक्निक पे स्टक था और उनको वर्कआउट कर रहा था जिसमें वो बेस्ट है, कि कैसे मैं उससे बेस्ट वो करके दिखाऊं, कैसे मैं उससे बेस्ट वो फॉर्म एंड टेक्निक करके दिखाऊं, कैसे मैं उससे बेस्ट दिखूं लोगों के सामने, कैसे मैं लोग मुझे उससे ज़्यादा चूज़ करें, मेरे टीचर्स मुझे उससे ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करें. सो ये चीज़ मुझे क्लिक हुई कि व्हेन आई वाज इन माय स्कूल एंड इन माय कॉलेज. सो I always used to think कि I need to be better than this person, then this person, कि मुझे अगर टीचर से लाइकेबल होना है तो मुझे इससे ज़्यादा मार्क्स चाहिए, अगर मुझे इससे फ्रेंडशिप करनी है तो मतलब इस ग्रुप में रहने के लिए मुझे इतने मार्क्स चाहिए, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, मुझे आई वॉज नॉट फोकस्ड ऑन माई सेल्फ. I was kind of also only competing with them and trying to better myself in those things in which they are already good, and they do it best. And I was trying to make myself better in those things in which they are good, rather than finding my own talent, my own skills, my the things which आई एम नेचुरल एट एंड गुड एट, उसमें खुद को बेटर करूँ, रादर देन मैं दूसरों पे फोकस्ड हूँ कि वो कैसा, कि व्हेन वी आर चाइल्ड, आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ कि कैसे मैं अपने आप को उनसे बेटर करूँ जिनमें वो ऑलरेडी बेटर हैं, रादर देन मैं अपने ऊपर फोकस करूँ कि लाइक मुझे फोटोग्राफी बहुत पसंद है, मुझे राइटिंग बहुत पसंद है, तो वाई प्रियंका तुम राइटिंग एंड ये क्यों नहीं ट्राई करती है, तुम ऑलरेडी इसमें गुड हो, तुम्हें उनकी तरह किसी चीज़ में अच्छा होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो So where I'm living, the water here is not that good. What to do? We cannot do anything. I already changed where I used to live. I'll say it got aligned. It was aligned only. That water was not good there, so I had to change. So I found this new place to live, and I really like it and love. I love it. So. I never used to use anything on my skin because naturally my skin is good, and I like my skin naturally only. Natural, I never put anything. But since the water is here, not that good. यहाँ पे हार्ड वाटर है गुड़गांव में, जहाँ पे मैं अभी रह रही हूँ उतना नहीं है, बट फिर भी है. सो आई हैव अ वेरी सेंसिटिव स्किन, तो मेरे स्किन पे ना ये उतना सूट नहीं करता है, तो आई हैव ब्रेकआउट्स एंड ऑल. ब्रेकआउट्स एंड ऑल हो गए हैं. व्हाट टू डू? If you guys know any better suggestion, because filters and all लगवा के भी कुछ नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे. So I'm trying to take good care of my skin because I want my skin to be healthy naturally without doing anything. See, if you want to put makeup, if you want to do all, if you want to do it, it's beautiful, do it. But for me, I want to do it and I want to do it less. कि मुझे ज़्यादा करना नहीं पसंद, and you can do it, there is nothing wrong in it, but for me my personal preference is that कि I want to do it less, I don't want to do so much, and I like it less, and I want my skin to feel healthy from inside, because that's what matters to me the most. कि if you are feeling good from inside, your skin will look good. Also, water also is important. If where you are living the water is not that good, then your skin and hair is gonna be mess. So yeah. When I used to earlier, when I used to get ready and dressed up, I always used to get ready and dressed up for others, कि वो मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे, एंड अगर लोग मुझे एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते थे, मुझे नहीं देखते थे एंड मुझे अप्रिशिएट या फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं देते थे, तो आई यूज़ टू फील सैड कि यार किसी ने तो मुझे देखा नहीं, किसी ने तो मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया, अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया. सो आई डू नॉट फील गुड. सो अभी व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड टू डू कि मैं अपने जहाँ पे रहती हूँ ना, अगर मैं कहीं नहीं भी जा रही हूँ बाहर, अगर मैं बाहर नहीं भी जा रही हूँ, तो आई ड्रेस अप फॉर माई सेल्फ. I dress up for myself, I wear clothes, and I put some makeup. I do it for myself, and I've stopped. I'm trying my best. I'll not say that I've stopped, that somewhere still, somewhere you want that. But somewhere, sorry. So I always used to dress up for अदर्स कि वो आ रहे हैं तो मैं कैसे ड्रेसअप हो जाऊँ, मैं कैसे खुद को अच्छा और दिखाऊँ, मैं अच्छा और खुद को कैसे बेटर बनाऊँ, मैं कैसे उनके सामने ज़्यादा अच्छी दिखूँ, उन जो आ रहे हैं, मतलब ऑलवेज कंपटीशन माइंडसेट, दिस कंपटीशन, वो भी अनहेल्दी, कि कैसे मैं और अच्छा हो जाऊँ और अच्छा हो जाऊँ, बिकॉज जैसे मैं हूँ वैसे मैं खुद को पसंद कर नहीं रही हूँ, तो मुझे बस क्या बोलते हैं, compete करना है सबसे, कैसे मैं compete करूँ बस, और लोग मुझे उससे ज़्यादा पसंद करें, और लोग मुझे उससे ज़्यादा लाइक करें, लोग मुझे उस चीज़ के लिए पसंद करें जो मैं नहीं हूँ. एंड then I'm like कि Priyanka, done. I cannot do that. I just cannot do that anymore. I don't feel कि I'm that person and I can't do that anymore. I just want to do things जिसमें मैं natural हूँ. Like I really like कि जो natural, you know, God has blessed me with natural um, beauty, I say, because everyone is beautiful and भगवान ने उनको जैसे बनाया है वो वैसे ही ब्यूटीफुल हैं. तो मुझे उसको इन्हांस करना अच्छा लगता है, लाइक माई आईब्रोज, माई आईज, माई चीक बोन्स, माई लिप्स. आई वॉन्ट टू डू जस्ट कि जो गॉड ने नेचुरल मुझे दिया है ना, उसे मैं कैसे इन्हांस करूँ, कैसे उसको और बेटर बना पाऊँ. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अब. मुझे लोगों के लिए ना कुछ नहीं करना है. आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रेस एनी वन by doing something which I don't like, which I am not, which I cannot do. And how does it look? Natural, right? I like it that way. मुझे ये ऐसे ही पसंद है और मुझे ये ऐसे ही पसंद आता है. Yeah. See, the more natural it looks, so I like it that way. Yeah. See? And you guys will not believe कि मैंने 3-4 साल से अपनी eyebrows नहीं बनवाई हैं. मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. मुझे ये ऐसे ही पसंद है. सी, क्या ज़रूरत है, इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं नेचुरली. सो आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि Priyanka, do things for yourself. Don't do anything. Don't look like anyone or anything. Don't do any degrees, anything, anything. Don't do anything to impress anyone because that's not gonna help. You're not gonna feel good. You're not gonna feel happy because I'm not a serious person. I'm a jolly person. I like laughing. I like laughing. I like talking. I like clicking pictures, making videos, and I enjoy it. And I'm not a bookworm. मुझे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई वढ़ाई पसंद है नहीं, ना ही मुझसे होती है. To be honest, I like my creativity side, my creative side. But yeah, I love to study about spirituality, quantum physics, and manifestations, यूनिवर्स के बारे में जानना, गॉड को और अच्छे से जानना, जो हमारी गीता है, इन सब, और रामायण है, उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में और अच्छे से जानना. मुझे अपने आप को, आई एम नाउ वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो माई सेल्फ एक्चुअली. आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू, इसी में देख के कर रही हूँ, बताओ. आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो माई सेल्फ. एंड I want to actually know that what are the things that makes me happy, and मुझे क्या क्या पसंद है, क्या क्या पसंद नहीं है, मुझे कौन सी चीज़ें खुश करती हैं, कौन सी चीज़ें खुश नहीं करती हैं, क्या चीज़ करना मुझे पसंद है, एंड मुझे कैसे कपड़े पहनना पसंद है, मुझे कैसे बात करना पसंद है. मुझे आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस टू नो माई सेल्फ. आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस कि मुझे क्या क्या चीज़ें पसंद है. एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट टू नो माई सेल्फ बेटर, and I'm on my journey. I just want to discover new things about myself every day. I'm not really interested to know about, to compete with others, to be accepted, because I'm exhausted with that. I cannot do that. So yeah. I love पुटिंग काजल. मुझे काजल लगाना, पता है, बीच में बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था. देन मैंने फिर से काजल लगाना स्टार्ट किया. one thing also I realized that it is not that easy to be kind to yourself. हम सबसे काइंड हो जाते हैं, हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ काइंड हो जाएंगे, स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ काइंड हो जाएंगे, हम नॉर्मल सबके साथ काइंड हो जाएंगे, बट जब हमारी बात आती है ना कि हमें खुद के साथ काइंड होना है, एंड यू नीड टू बी काइंड टू योर सेल्फ, यू नीड टू बी love the process and love, how you are evolving, how you are growing up. वो नहीं होता हमसे, हम बस खुद के साथ काइंड नहीं हो पाते, बाकी हम पूरी दुनिया के साथ काइंड होना चाहते हैं. लाइक वाई डोंट वी ट्रीट आवर सेल्फ लाइक अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड, कि यू नो जैसे चाइल्ड धीरे धीरे ही तो बड़ा होता है ना, वो एक दिन में ही तो बड़ा नहीं हो जाएगा, चलना नहीं सीख जाएगा. तो हम खुद को भी वैसा क्यों नहीं ट्रीट कर सकते कि प्रियंका, जस्ट कि नॉट जस्ट मी, लाइक एवरीवन, कि आज so this technique, one of the client in the gym, she taught me कि this earbuds जो होते हैं, लाइक आई डोंट नो, मे बी earbuds और क्या है इसका नाम असली, तो इसके साथ अगर हम अपने काजल को स्मच करें ना, तो ये स्मोकी लुक देता है, एंड आई लव इट. मुझे लाइनर एक्चुअली प्रॉपरली नहीं इतना पसंद, तो आई लाइक इट थोड़ा सा लाइक दिस. सो what I was talking about, yeah, being kind to yourself. कि हम अपनी जर्नी पे क्यों नहीं फोकस करते, हम अपने साथ पेशेंट क्यों नहीं होते, हम अपने आप को रोज़ क्यों नहीं बोलते कि प्रियंका, that you did good last day, you did good, I'm so proud of you, I want to gift you this because you made me so proud and I love you, I love the way you are progressing in your life. अगर भले ही तुम स्लोली कर रही हो, बट कोई बात नहीं, बट कर तो रही हो, कर जाओगी, कोई बात नहीं, इतना हार्ड मत हो खुद पे. सब गलतियाँ करते हैं, तुम भी करोगी, सब लोग गलती करते हैं, उस पर इतना खुद के साथ हार्श और हार्ड होने की क्या ज़रूरत है, राइट? एंड yesterday, no, not yesterday, so all these realizations are happening कि I'm just being too hard on myself, and मैं किसके लिए खुद पे इतना हार्ड हो रही हूँ, किसके लिए मैं इतना ज़्यादा खुद को बेटर करना चाहती हूँ, क्यों इतना परफेक्ट बनना है मुझे, किसको इम्प्रेस करना है मुझे, क्यों मुझे इतना किसको परफेक्ट बन के दिखाना है, किससे मुझे अवार्ड चाहिए परफेक्शन का. I think for me, being perfect is accepting my imperfections, accepting my process of evolution and growth, the way I evolve, and you know, appreciating my process, भले ही वो slow है, and feeling proud of myself every day that amazing, that I'm choosing better things in my life. अगर भले ही वो छोटे छोटे क्यों ना हो, भले ही वो हाफ एन आवर या फिर 15 मिनट जल्दी उठना क्यों ना हो, है ना, भले ही वो छोटी सी चीज़ क्यों ना हो, छोटी सी चीज़, दैट्स इट. आई लाइक दैट एंड आई वॉन्ट टू डू दैट. आई एम नॉट हियर टू इम्प्रेस एनी वन, आई एम नॉट हियर टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ टू एनी वन. If you like me, that's okay. If you don't like me, that's also okay. And I don't, let me do this wing. यहीं पे करूँ क्या? नहीं, यहाँ पे करती हूँ. आज मुझे काजल अपने पूरे मुंह पे लगा देना है. I love makeup this way. अपने आईज को और अच्छा से बनाना. And I love it. See? Looks nice now. I love my eyes. Looks really nice. Looks so better. Yeah. So I just realized कि you can get inspired by the other person, कि how amazing they are, how amazing they dress up, how amazingly they talk and everything about them, but I don't think we should actually start to be like them, thinking that we are not good. One minute, the way we are, that we are not good, how we are. Give me 1 minute, I'll just come back. And how amazing we are, how good we are. We should. I'm back. पहले ये तो बोल दो प्रियंका that you are back. So I believe कि हमें अपनी ट्रू एसेंस को नहीं भूलना चाहिए. अगर हमें कोई पसंद आ रहा है, कोई हमें अच्छा लग रहा है, तो what I learned from my ma'am, she taught me कि learn the allow yourself to receive the knowledge that they have, but do not try to be like them, do not become like them. Hmm? Do not be them, you just be you. You don't have to be like anybody else. You don't like to be like anyone. If you want to learn what they already know, learn. And if they are, okay, let me just put this lipstick, I'll come back. So I put this lighter shade niche, and I'm going to put this shade. Okay, let me just do it, I'll just come back. Now what I love is that कि मेरे जो lips है ना, वो natural दिखें. मुझे ज़्यादा I love lipsticks because I just love them. But अभी what I love कि natural दिखें, जितने natural हो सकते हैं ना उतने natural दिखें. I was just putting this lipstick and this thought came in my mind that sometimes we build our whole life on a existence and on हम एक ऐसी फॉल्स रियलिटी हम अपने लिए बनाते हैं, फॉल्स इमेज अपना बनाते हैं, और अपनी पूरी लाइफ हम उस पर ही बिल्ड करते हैं. लाइक लेट्स से कि आई एम नॉट अ writer. If I'm not a writer but somebody else is a writer and I want to compete with them, because in my mind I think that if I want to be liked or loved or whatever, then I have to be good in writing. So even if I'm not good, I'll start to compete with that person, copy, steal their work, and try to I cannot steal their talent, जो जिस चीज़ में वो नेचुरल है. But I can steal their work, copy them, try to be like them, behave like them, write like them. But at the end, you will realize that you are not happy. And the moment you realize that you are not happy, it means you are not doing something that you really love. You are not being yourself. You are not doing stuff. You are not wearing clothes, eating food, living in a house, going for a vacation, for a trip, like where you actually want to go and what you actually like. You're just trying to copy people and want to please everyone, want to be liked by everyone. And I realized that actually, this is something which also makes you sad. Ki, why am I like that? I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. I just want to be seen and heard and accepted for who I am. But what I have realized that if you truly want to be seen and heard and accepted for who you are, you need to release the shame and guilt and bitterness and anger from your true self. You have to feel proud of your true self. You have to feel comfortable to be you. Until and unless you will not feel comfortable to be you and who you are, you will keep on attracting those type of people who will not let you be you, who will not like you when you are yourself, who will only and only who are only attached and attracted sorry, you attracted them for your false identity, because you believe कि उसी से मुझे हर चीज़ मिलेगी. So I am on a journey I just want to be me as much as I can, and I really want to release all the fear and shame and guilt from being me, because my I like gloss. My true self is amazing. She's amazing, amazing, zing, and she's one. And भगवान कभी भी कोई गलती किसी को बनाते हुए नहीं करते हैं. गॉड कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करते. उन्होंने अगर मुझे ऐसा बनाया है तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा ही बनाया है. उन्होंने अगर मुझे ऐसा बनाया है तो मेरे ट्रू वर्जन की ही नीड है यहाँ पे. मुझे किसी और की तरह बनने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई पुट लिपस्टिक. ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड अगर if I'm being myself and people are not liking me, not loving me, not feeling good about it, then I know it's hard. It's actually tough कि हम जब बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट करते हैं ना, हम जब बाउंड्रीज अपने बनाने लगते हैं एंड यू फील स्कैर्ड कि oh my god, what if this person is gonna leave me, what if they stop talking, and the moment they stop talking to you, they start leaving and things start to fall apart, you feel scared. You feel that everything is your fault, everything is because of you. Or then this one thought came कि if they are not supporting my growth, if they really want me to be stuck here, and if they are not really liking me for who I am, and they are always blaming me, and they are always thinking that there is something wrong with me, then maybe my self-esteem is low. Then my self-esteem is low, that I don't believe कि even if these people are gonna leave, even if these people leave me and they don't want to talk to me, they don't want to be in my life, it means कि I will attract those type of people in my life who likes me for who I am, who loves me for who I am. But maybe somewhere I'm scared to be myself. I'm scared to lose these people. I'm not believing that my true version is good enough. I'm not believing that I'm gonna meet or attract those type of people who are gonna support my true version, my authentic version. Then maybe I need to work on this. Maybe I really need to work on this. I really need to believe in God, that God is gonna align those people in my life who are gonna like me for my true version. And I need to believe in my worthiness कि I am loved for who I am. If deep down I'm not loving, I'm just scared, then this is not gonna happen. But so I really need to work on this. But meanwhile, Priyanka, just love yourself. Please don't be hard on yourself. Don't keep on. It's okay to feel all these emotions. And these days, my emotions are running high, and I'm not feeling that good. I am feeling all sort of emotions: anger, jealousy, apathy. I'll be honest, all the insecurities and everything. And it's okay. It's okay until and unless I am ready to work on them. It's okay. It's okay to feel. And I'm ready, and I'm ready to go. And maybe I'm not gonna shoot पूरे दिन का vlog. Maybe I'm gonna stop my video here. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll see how I feel when I go outside. I'll see if I really want to shoot the whole day vlog, or I just want to stop my video here today, chit chatting with you all. I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. It felt natural, and it felt good talking to you all guys and sharing what was in my heart. and just I just felt ki I'm talking with my friends. I'm talking to my friends, and we are just sitting. I'm just sharing what's in my heart, and what I'm thinking right now, and I'll see how I'll feel when I'll go out, if I want to shoot a video when I go out for a movie, because I'm going on a self date and I love it. I actually love it when I go out alone now. I just feel calm. I just feel good. I feel that I'm with myself. I'm not saying that I don't like when I go with other people, but being an introvert, I am, and I like to be alone at home. I like to say, but I also enjoy company of good people. But then I like my own space also. I need my own space also. I need my own pura din, or I like to spend time with myself also. I like to know about myself also better, कि अपने आप को और better मैं जानूँ. So let's come back to the topic. Let's see how I feel when I go outside. If I feel like making video, and then I will make, if I don't like it, if I just want to be with myself, if I like, आज मुझे अगर नहीं बनाना vlog तो मैं आज नहीं बनाऊँगी, मैं किसी और दिन बनाऊँगी. And if you guys want to see, you can comment down below. Maybe इसके आगे भी वीडियो चल सकती है, you never know. Okay, I'm just saying. So let's see. So it's almost 6:30, and आज मेरा मन नहीं किया कि मैं शूट करूँ एंड अपना पूरा डे आपको दिखाऊँ कि बाहर मैंने क्या क्या किया. बट आई विल डेफिनेटली डू इट वेन एवर आई फील दैट आई एम रेडी टू डू इट, एंड आई फील दैट यस कि येस I want to shoot, because today I wanted to spend time with myself. And मुझे जब मैं बाहर होती हूँ ना तो मुझे फ़ोन इतना यूज़ करने का मन नहीं करता. I just want to feel it. I just want to feel the air, the music, I just want to feel my surroundings, and I love it. एंड वेन एवर आई फील कि आई एम रेडी कि मुझे कैमरा लेके शूट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई लव दैट ऑल्सो, आई विल डू इट. बट आई टेल यू ऑल गाइज दैट मूवी वॉज अमेजिंग and I totally loved it. I cried a little, laughed a little. It was amazing. And I actually enjoying going out for a movie alone, because I just enjoy how free I feel, how open I feel, how safe I feel. I just feel I can laugh, I can be myself, and I just don't care if people are looking at me, they are thinking why she's laughing so much and all that. I just don't care. I enjoy it. So day was amazing. um, I totally enjoyed it. I'll have my dinner. After that I might watch something. आफ्टर दैट बिकॉज मैंने प्रॉमिस किया है कि सोने से पहले मैं बुक पढ़ूंगी, भले मैं एक पेज क्यों ना पढूं, क्योंकि मुझसे 1 या 2 या 3 पेज से ज़्यादा पढ़ा जाता नहीं है अभी. बट आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. ट्राई करके ही होगा. अभी आदत लगने में धीरे धीरे टाइम लगेगा, इतनी जल्दी तो नहीं लगेगा. बिकॉज आई really find it very difficult to focus and concentrate, but I'm working on it and I will get there. 1-2 दिन में नहीं आएगा, but definitely अगर मैं रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करूँ, भले ही 1 पेज क्यों ना पढूँ, तो धीरे धीरे my mind will take it कि okay, she is trying and she wants to try and she wants to focus, and it is safe maybe for her to focus now. So maybe it will come धीरे धीरे in future. So for now मुझे बस आप लोगों को छोड़ के जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सिट हियर एंड टॉक टू ऑल ऑफ यू. बट राइट नाउ आई रियली हैव टू गो टू द टेम्पल, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू, मेरे अंदर से आई जस्ट फील दिस पुल टूवर्ड्स temple, because when I was a child I used to go to temple every morning when somewhere vacations पे, and मैं शिव जी को जल चढ़ाती थी, एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. आई यूज़ टू फील अमेजिंग. एंड evening on Tuesday and Saturday maybe also. I used to go for a Sundarkand and Hanuman Chalisa ka part, and I used to love it. I just love it. I feel safe. I feel I feel me. I feel good when I do all these things. Okay. What else? So, yeah, I just forgot to share this with you all. When I was in a mall, yeah, I just forgot. Yeah, I just forgot to share with you all. जब मैं मॉल में थी ना, so there was a guy musician. Okay, I forgot to share with you all when I was in the mall. अभी जो मैं वीडियो में बोलने वाली हूँ ना, वो मैंने 5 बार ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर लिया है. सो ये मेरा 6th ट्राई है. जस्ट टू टेल यू ऑल गाइस कि नो बडी इज़ परफेक्ट. सो जब मैं मॉल में थी तो वहाँ पे देयर वाज अ मैन, अ बॉय बीच में. ओके, सो मैं उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम तो भूल गई, बट ही वॉज प्लेइंग सो ब्यूटिफुली एंड आई फेल्ट सो इंस्पायर्ड बिकॉज लोगों को ऐसे सबके सामने अपना लव एक्सप्रेस करने में शर्म आती है. उनको लगता है कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, बट आई सॉ मे बी डॉटर एंड मदर दोनों बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली डांस कर रहे थे. एंड आई फेल्ट सो गुड कि how she is expressing, how they both are expressing their love for each other in front of people as well. They are not embarrassed of it, they are not overthinking, they are just enjoying the moment. And then there was this beautiful couple, and this time man took the lead, and I saw that उसने सामान को नीचे रखा, and he actually invited his girlfriend, to maybe girlfriend or maybe wife, I don't know, to dance with him. And when he took this lead, I just felt so good. He just took the lead and he was so much into her. And उसके उन अभी वो दोनों जब डांस कर रहे थे, तो for a man, because I will call him a man because he took the lead, and when he was with his women, उसके लिए कुछ और मैटर नहीं कर रहा था कि कौन जा रहा है, कौन कितना और प्रिटी लग रहा है, कौन उन्हें कैसे देख रहा है. ही जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू एक्सप्रेस हिज लव टूवर्ड्स हर. एंड आई फेल्ट सो गुड, आई फेल्ट सो इंस्पायर्ड. एंड जब आप अपने सामने ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हो यूट्यूब में, तो आई सी लॉट ऑफ विमेन टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बट जब आप सामने एग्जाम्पल देखते हो, मैन टेकिंग अ लीड एंड मेकिंग his women feel so special सबके सामने, तो you feel so inspired, you feel so good, you feel okay, this is possible. And yeah, I can take it as a sign from the universe that universe is telling me, Priyanka, this is going to happen to you and you deserve it. See, this is possible. So when I saw it, I felt so good for her, and it was all about her for him. एंड उसने उसे कुछ कैरी भी करने नहीं दिया. लाइक शी वॉज कैरिंग दिस बैग, उसने वो खुद उठाया. सो आई वॉज लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज सो गुड. द वे ही इज टेकिंग द लीड एंड द वे ही इज मेकिंग हर फील लाइक अ क्वीन. आई टोटली लव्ड इट. अब वो उसने जिस भी प्लेस से किया हो, बट फॉर मी इट वॉज एन इंस्पिरेशन. I felt so good. I felt that this is possible, and I'm sharing it with you all so that you all can also believe that yes, it is possible. I just felt so emotional and I felt good. And also I want to share this with you all, that when I was watching this movie, Chhaava naam hai movie ka, amazing movie. I totally loved it. I actually was thinking, okay, which type of a man do I like? What is it that I am looking for? What traits do I like? And I want in man. So I was thinking this courage that he have, compassion that he have, believe in people that everyone can do best, and not trying to force people to become best on, and believing that everyone have potential to become best, at the same time not trying to force them to become best. And what more, that how loyal he is, and how compassionate, how courageous, and how much he believes in himself. The way he believes in himself, the way he do not need anybody's attention, validation, anybody's approval, could self confidence that he have as a man, and self motivation that he have as a man, and still he respects her, sorry, not her, his wife. He still respects her, honors her, and honors her, जो भी वो उनको राय देती हैं, जो भी वो उनसे बातें करती हैं, he respects her like a queen because she was a queen. So I thought कि that's man, कि he's so powerful, so compassionate and kind, and he is actually knowledgeable and powerful. That's why he's not intimidated by that woman. And that woman is just believing in him with all her heart. She's not trying to correct him. She's not correct. She's not trying to heal him or do anything. She's just believing that he is the best. Believing in his potential all the time without doubting him. And what I realized about man in this movie, that man actually love it when you believe in their potential and not try to heal them, not try to correct them time to time ki you should do this, you should not do that. You just believe in their potential, that yes, that they are capable of everything, and he is the protector and he can do that. And when he is around, you are safe, nobody can touch you, because he have that potential and he have that power without saying anything. He just feels it ki, oh my god, she believes in him. And he asked her ki, how you believe in me so much. Then she said ki, I just believe in you. I just believe in you. I don't know from where it comes, but I just believe in you. I know, you will do everything. I know you are the best, and you will win. I just believe in you so much. कि उनके सामने she is not pretending कि okay, I do not believe, but I will try to believe in you. And you are like, then you're like mothering the man. I just don't like that. I just realized that I don't like that. You just have to believe in him and he will do everything. That's what I realized by watching this movie, that you don't have to do anything for them, actually. Just believe in them, and your energy, your faith वाला जो energy होगा ना, आपका belief वाला energy होगा, he can feel that. He can feel it. कि oh my god, she believes. And his courage, his passion, and not wanting any women's attention, any women's validation, and he's not trying to impress any women. He's just so much into his own wife. I think that's what I like. That's what motivated me, and I never knew that what I want in a man, but धीरे धीरे I'm getting to know myself better. Because I'm asking myself, what is it that you want? So I just wanted to share with you all what I learned today by watching this movie, and what I learned about man and women. Okay, what else did I like about him? And I'll also tell you guys that what I liked about him, that and what I also like in man. He's so powerful. He's the king. and he's so knowledgeable, and he have this power, like all the power, and he's strong, okay, and still the way he respects people around him, the way he honors people around him, the way he makes people feel good about themselves around him, and the way he honors women, कि he wore sari and he was fighting sari पहन के, and the way he was appreciating the goddesses, because वो अपने हर फाइट पे जगदम्बे बोल रहे थे, and the way he respected, femininity, feminine energy, the way he honored it, the way he felt that he is so blessed, even if he's so powerful, knowledgeable, he have all the authority, people appreciating him, bowing down, and listening to him, वो किसी को कुछ भी orders दे सकते हैं, but still the way he is humble and yet so strong and powerful, the way he is compassionate, giving, and the way he knows his boundaries, and the way he is feeling so blessed that he have the women that he have in his life, and the way he feels so honored to be with her, the way he feels so honored that she is with him and she chose him, and the way he makes her feel so free to be herself, the way he makes her feel so strong, so powerful, and he's not intimidated by her, okay, and he feels so inspired, he feels amazing, and he feels so proud, seeing her in her power. That's what I, like about man. That's what I think I like about man, and that's what I liked about him. And I was just looking at him, and I was in awe. Ki, oh my god, okay, I like this type of man. The way he is making her feel around him, and the way he honors everyone, including the femininity, the way he is so अपने उसूलों के इतने पक्के हैं कि लोग उनके साथ कितना भी बुरा कर रहे हैं, ओके, लोग उनके साथ कितना भी बुरा कर रहे हैं, बट ही इज़ नॉट टेकिंग एनीथिंग पर्सनली, बट लोग जैसा कर रहे हैं वो उल्टा में वैसा नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि ही नोज़ ही इज़ नॉट दैट पर्सन, बिकॉज ही नोज़ कि कीचड़ पे कीचड़ नहीं, कि अगर सामने वाला कीचड़ है तो आपको कीचड़ बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप कमल की तरह खिल सकते हो, सामने वाला आपके साथ कुछ भी कर रहा है, यू जस्ट बी यू, आप अपने एथिक्स को, आप अपने उसूलों को नहीं भूल सकते, क्योंकि सामने वाला इज़ जानवर, बिकॉज सामने वाला इज़ नॉट गुड, एंड दैट्स व्हाट made me feel, and that's why people respect him so much, and watching him, he made me realize that which type of a man do I like, and I'm going to marry, because I loved all these qualities in him. I was so I just felt ki, this is what I'm looking for, and this is what I want, and this type of man is what I will accept in my life. I just wanted to share. पर नहीं तो मैं तो बात करती ही रहूँगी। अच्छा चलो, now I'll have to go, because मेरी बात जो मैं करती रहूँगी वो तो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी, but I'll have to go. So I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and if you guys like my content, do like, share, subscribe, and do share with your friends and family. Do comment down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.